Have you ever wondered why long ties have stood the test of time in men's fashion? Today, we're diving into the world of these elegant accessories, exploring their aesthetic appeal, versatility, and the subtle signals they send about the wearer. To kick things off, consider the visual impact of a long tie. It's not just an accessory, it's a statement. A long tie can add a touch of elegance and formality to an outfit, making the wearer appear more polished and sophisticated. Whether you're heading to a business meeting, a fancy dinner, or a casual get-together, a long tie can adapt to the mood and setting. But not all ties are created equal. The right length of a tie can make a world of difference. For the most flattering look, the tip of the tie should just reach the belt buckle. Tying the knot properly also matters. A neat, symmetrical knot can elevate the overall look and exude a sense of professionalism and attention to detail. Now let's talk about coordination. Pairing a long tie with the right outfit is an art in itself. Whether it's a crisp suit or a casual dress shirt, there's a tie to match. Take into consideration the color and pattern of the tie. A well-coordinated ensemble can create a harmonious and stylish look. And don't forget about accessories. They can add an extra layer of sophistication to a long tie style. A tie bar, a pocket square, or a pair of cufflinks can complement the tie and make a bold statement. But remember, striking a balance is key. Overdoing it can result in a cluttered appearance. Beyond the aesthetics, the choice of a long tie can influence how others perceive you. Dressing well is a subtle art that can exude confidence and charisma. A carefully chosen tie can speak volumes about your personality and style. Last but not least, proper care and maintenance of your long ties are crucial. Regular cleaning and proper storage can ensure they stay in good condition and retain their appeal for years to come. In summary, long ties are more than just a fashion accessory. They are a versatile style choice that can enhance an outfit, reflect personal style, and influence perception. With the right length, coordination with the outfit, balanced accessories, and proper care, a long tie can be a powerful tool in a man's style arsenal.